The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40L roars into the future with a design that's equal parts retro charm and cutting-edge innovation. Let's dive into what makes this icon a beast on and off the road. Starting with the exterior, the FJ40L stays true to its heritage: boxy silhouette, round LED headlights, and a bold vertical grille, but adds modern flair with sleek LED DRLs, flared wheel arches, and a two-tone paint option. Choose from earthy tones like desert tan or moss green, paired with black accents for a rugged yet refined look. Underneath, the FJ40L's suspension is built to conquer. A reinforced ladder frame paired with a redesigned coil spring setup ensures stability on rough trails, while adaptive dampers smooth out city potholes. The electronic terrain management system offers modes for mud, sand, and rock crawling, optimizing wheel articulation and traction. On highways, the FJ40L stays planted, thanks to its wide track axle and all-terrain tires that claw into surfaces for unmatched road grip. Power comes from a twin-turbocharged 3.5L V6 hybrid engine, pumping out 400 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, it hits 0 to 60 mph in 6.2 seconds, with a governed top speed of 112 miles per hour, plenty for adventures. The hydraulic steering system delivers precise control, whether you're navigating tight trails or cruising coastal roads. Inside, the FJ40L blends utility with luxury. The dashboard features a retro-styled digital cluster, a 12.3-inch touchscreen running Toyota's latest infotainment, and physical knobs for climate control. Leather-trimmed seats come in classic saddle brown or olive green, with contrast stitching and heated, cooled functions. Durable, water-resistant materials line the floors, perfect for post-adventure cleanup. From its heritage-inspired design to its tech-loaded cabin and unstoppable performance, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40L isn't just a throwback, it's a future-proof legend.